Hi, I'm Sandeep Sharma, and here I'm going to give you a demo on digestive system. So after this demo, you will be able to know some basic questions about the digestive system. What are those basic questions? So we can able to find the 5 organs that helps in our digestive system, and we can also able to describe the peristalsis, and we can explain why it is necessary for digestion, and we can able to describe the stomach and its function. And after this session we can able to find in which organ the digestive system does maximum absorption of nutrients takes place. Do you know it? We will able to find it. And we can also describe what is the role of acid in our stomach. So that is very surprised thing that there is a acid in our stomach. What are those acids and why it doesn't burn our stomach? We will able to find it. Next thing is we can able to find the functions of digestive enzymes. So there are digestive enzymes which helps in the digestive system, and then we can able to find how is the small intestine designed to absorb digestive food. So small intestine absorbs the digestive food, and we can also able to find why small intestine is called small, but actually it is longer than large intestine. Okay, so let me start. The basic thing is there is some parts of the digestive system. What are those? There is a mouth. You can see mouth. There are 3 parts: the mouth, tongue, and the salivary gland. Then there is esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine, and the small intestine breaks into 2 parts, which helps the liver and the pancreas. Okay, let me move into the next page. So now you can see there is an image of some food items like bananas, mango, grapes, eggs. This helps us to give nutrients. So the basic question is here arise: why do we need nutrients? And what are those nutrients? There are the water, carbohydrates, fats, protein, minerals, vitamins. These are the nutrients. So there is a question: why do we eat these nutrients? Do you know it? The basic answer is, of course, it gives us energy. Yes. So why do we need energy? Next question is, yes, why do we need energy? We have millions of cells. Do you know it? So it gives energy to those cells. It gives it growth and repair the cells. So we can write it: growth and repairs the cells. And it also helps in survival of what? Survival of cells. So if we don't eat these food items, we will die. And it also helps in maintenance of the cells. Now the next part on the new whiteboard. So you can see there is an image of there is a digestive system image. You can see we have pharynx, We have salivary glands, mouth, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, anus, large intestine, small intestine, gallbladder, liver. So let me start the organs of the digestive system. What are those organs? Do you know it? You can see the names. So it start name, you can see the stomach is there, mouth is there, right? Stomach, mouth, that's it. Those two things. There are many things you can see. There are liver, gallbladder, large intestine, small intestine, salivary glands. So it takes many different organs working together. So there are many different organs. Working together. What are those organs? Do you know it? You can see the names there, the gallbladder, small intestine. Okay, let me proceed further. So you can see there is a you can see there is a part of this thing. I'm writing in the I'm drawing in the green red color. This one. Do you know what is this? So this is a kind of pipeline is there which a food passes. Do you know the name of it? We call it esophagus or the alimentary canal. So you can see there is the digestive system is a body system that breaks down complex food. So basically we have to chew the food to make it small with the help of teeth, right? So it is always said that we have to chew the food so it doesn't choke in our alimentary canal, right? So what is alimentary canal? You can see this is a food pipe. So the digestive system is mainly one long muscular tube, the mouth to anus. So it starts from the mouth and end at anus. So the next question is how much it is long? Do you know it? Any guesses there? Yes, it is 30 feet. So in adult we can say it is 30 feet long. So 30 feet is you can think so 30 feet is very much long, right? So different regions of the canal are structurally adapted to perform specific functions. What are those functions? Those functions are ingestion. Do you know what is ingestion is? It is a taking of food. And what is digestion? The next thing is digestion. And what is the next thing? It is absorption. So absorption of food is also necessary. And what is the next to it? It is elimination. So basically there are 4 parts of the digestive system. What are those? You can see it. It is ingestion, digestion, absorption and elimination. Do you know these terms? I told you ingestion is taking of food through mouth, and digestion takes place, it takes place in the stomach. Then absorption, where does it takes place? The absorption, it takes place at the, any guesses? Absorption is takes place in the small intestine. Where does it takes place? In small intestine. Can you recognize in the picture where it is, the small intestine? You can see the picture there. Yeah, you can read the name. This is the small intestine. This one. So absorption is takes place at the small intestine. And then elimination. So elimination is basically, it is when all the food is absorbed, the undigested food moves out, because it moves out. Do you know why it is moves out? Any guesses there? Yes, it moves out because it is a waste material, and from where it does moves out, do you know it? It moves out from the anus. You can see in the image there, in the diagram, the anus, this one is anus. Are you getting it? What I am explaining here? And there are more parts, you can see it. There is a liver, there is a gallbladder, large intestine. Do you know the function of these? Let me move further. Let me do it. What are the functions of liver, gallbladder, pancreas? Let me do it. Are you ready? Okay. So the next thing is, you can see the image, this one. Can you see it? It is a food going through esophagus. This is a food. So there is a contraction of the muscles. With the help of this contraction, the food goes inside, and there is a relaxation of muscles. And what is the direction? You can see it is a downward towards the stomach. Can you see it? The image? So basically you can see the muscular walls of alimentary canal produce what it produces? It produces a rhythmic wave like alternate contractions and relaxations. And these contraction and relaxations, we call it peristalsis. Have you heard this name before? And which push the, what it does, this is a process basically, and in this process the food goes downward towards the stomach. Do you know this thing? Is this clear to you? Okay, let me move further on the new whiteboard. So you can see there is a picture of liver. So do you know what is liver is? What is the function of liver? It is the largest gland in our body. Do you know it? It is the largest gland. And what does it do? It produces bile juice. So a yellowish green fluid that plays a key role in the digestion of fat. So bile is used for digestion of fat. So in the exam, your teacher can ask, what is the largest gland? Yes, that's the liver. This one, the red in color. And they can ask you, what is the function of the liver? It produces the bile juices. And what does this bile juice helps? It helps in the digestion of fat. It is clear to you? Then there is a gallbladder. You can see this one, the gallbladder. You can see the place of the gallbladder. What is the function of gallbladder? It stored fat. It stored, what does it store? It stored bile that's secreted by the liver. So what is gallbladder? Yes, you can, yes, I am asking, what is a gallbladder? The gallbladder is a small organ located beneath the liver. You can say its position. It is located beneath the liver. So your teacher can ask you label it. So you can easily label it, the green in color. So what does it do? It releases the bile into the first part of the small intestine in small quantities. So function is release bile into intestine. Let me move into further. Is it clear to you? I will ask you a question at the last. So next thing is there is a digestion. So digestion, what is digestion? The basic question. Digestion is a process of which complex food is broken into smaller. So it is a process of breakdown of complex food into smaller one. So why does it need to break down it? Do you know it? Because we can observe the energy when it is broke down, because at last it is given to the cell. So now once digestion occurs, the next step is absorption, the absorption of the food. So what is absorption? It is a movement of nutrient from digestive tract into the bloodstream. So it is a movement of nutrients. Movement of nutrients to bloodstream. So most absorption occurs in the small intestine. You already know it. I told you. Where nutrients enter into blood and transported to cells. So basically there are two types of digestion. What is mechanical? It is done in mouth. And the chemical digestion is also there. It is also in mouth and stomach, small intestine, so what is a mechanical digestion? Mechanical digestion, a large chunk of food are broken into small pieces. So it is basically the physical process, not the chemical one. It is a physical process. It involves in the mouth, so such as chewing by the action of teeth and tongue, Mechanical digestion continuing in the stomach as the food is mixed and digestive juices. The next thing is the chemical part. So you can see the mouth as a saliva begins to break down. Food continues in the stomach and stomach enzymes are there. So the chemical digestion starts from mouth. There are salivary glands. Do you know the names of that glands? Do you know what are the enzymes in the stomach and what type of acid is there? Do you know what are there in the small intestine which helps in the increasing the area? Do you know the name of that part? We will do that thing in the next part. Okay. So I think my demo was good and it helps to understand the better the topic, the digestive enzymes. Okay, so bye bye, take care, have a great day.